Hello friends, welcome back to your channel to Tech Ninja. In this lesson 2 we will be learning how to download and install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Now in our previous video we had already installed VirtualBox, so let's just dive right in. This is the downloads URL, which I'll attach it in the description for you to just copy paste. So now our goal is to just install the .iso file of Kali Linux, which we will be using while we will be configuring Kali Linux. So let's just click on installer images, and depending on whether your Mac or Windows is 64-bit or 32-bit, we will just click on download from here. And for me, I have already downloaded it to save us some time. So let's just boot up VirtualBox, right? Now to show this from start, I will just remove all of the files. So let's just create a new machine, name it as Kali Linux of Tech Ninja, and let's select the ISO image from here. You can actually go to other and then go navigate to the file path and select from here, and then click on next. The base memory is actually recommended to be around 4 gigs, so let's make it that. One CPU is enough, or you can increase or decrease accordingly, but I'll leave at 1 for now. Disk size, again, you can increase or decrease, but I believe 25 gigs is enough. So moving on, this is the final configuration message, so you can click on finish. Now let's go to settings, right? More or less we have done all the settings as required. We just need to make sure that our network is on NAT mode, right? Again, if you're going to use video and everything, you can increase the memory from here, and recording, if you want to enable, you can do from here. Remote display, again, you can set up a server and the ports. Storage wise, I believe this is our location, so all good here. Audio is default, network is NAT, yes, that's what we were looking for. Yeah, for our adapter 1 is set to NAT, right? So this is the MAC address again, so that's all good there. If you want to enable serial port, you can enable from here. Again, USB controller also you can configure from here. If you want to set up a shared folder between this OS and the primary OS, you can select that. And user interface, I'll leave it as normal, right? So I'll select it as okay. Now let's boot it up. Click on start. Okay, this has opened up, right? Let's make it full screen. Now as you can see, the window is quite small, so let's click on view, click on virtual screen. Let's make it up auto scaled output 200%. Now click on graphic install, click on capture, and let it take some time. Now let's select English. I'm in Ireland, so I'll select Ireland. Click Irish, keyboard, and let the configuration take place. You can skip this timestamp, just to make this process faster, but this is the usual time it takes for everyone. Yep, let's enter the name as Kali for this machine, right? I'll make it a I would prefer to give the name as root, but I think the username is different, but that's the host name. Let's leave it at Kali Linux. Next it will, okay, why don't we make it as root? Okay, continue. I will just skip that part. User account, yes, that's what I was talking about. Let's keep it as root, and that's the, yep. Okay, sorry about that. Let's name it as Kali. Okay, we have already taken this, so okay, so we are again going back and forth on this. Full name for the new user. Okay, let's just name, so that's fine. Okay, so probably not, this choice is not good, so let's, you can click on continue. We can again at any point of time change the username and passwords. So yes, I want to use the entire disk, but you can do that manually as well. Continue. Partition disk is all files in one partition, yes, as recommended. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk, yes please. Yep, let's say continue. Finish partitioning. Oh sorry, we have to click yes, and the base system is getting installed as we speak. You can skip few seconds because the system is getting installed. My broadband is pretty good, so that's the fastest it can be. I think we're almost there, just some more time, but you can skip the timestamp. And yeah, so core of the system is installed. Okay, I want to go with the default one. Now as you can see that this new installation is the only operating system, it should be safe to install. Yes. It's finishing the installation. हेलो।
ये अशोक का कोई बेटी नहीं है बेटा?
तो एक मिनट रुक जाइए, कौन तो हमको बोला था?
अशोक पासवान का कोई बेटी नहीं है?
वो एक मिनट रुक जाइए,
उसका
देख।
दो गो बेटे हैं।
अ, अशोक अंकल, अब कौन अशोक अंकल बोला है? वो हो सकता है अशोक अंकल वहीं पे होंगे,
हैं?
उसी के मोहल्ला की होगी।
चाहे अगली वाला में होगा, क्या नाम है वो, चमटोरिये में कोई होगा।
कंटिन्यू। There it is. Now just let's enter the password and the username that you set it up earlier, and then voila. Allow some time to set it up. Welcome to your Kali machine. The quieter you become, the more you're able to hear. Right. All right. Thank you, folks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.